In the heart of a gentle river, an enormous elephant rests half submerged in the cool water, a rare sight of pure tranquility in the wild. Look closely. Beside this majestic giant, a human mother and her little child share an incredible moment of trust. The baby rests peacefully on the elephant's massive neck, its tiny body safe under the warmth of the elephant's ear. As the baby smiles in comfort, even the mother joins in, lying gently across the elephant's neck. What we're seeing here is not just interaction, but emotion, trust between two great species.